Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change location of your taskbar. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to right click on your taskbar and you can see the taskbar settings. So just go ahead and click on that, and then here you can see taskbar location on screen. So just go ahead and click on the drop down button or arrow, and here you can choose left, top, right, or bottom. So just go ahead and choose any location that you want. So for example, top, you can see the taskbar is now on the top part of the screen. So if you choose right, you can see the taskbar here is on the right side, and on the left here you can see the taskbar is now on the left side of the screen. And so you can choose or whatever location you want. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.